Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my strawberry banana milkshakes. So when making our milkshake we first have to start with the fruit or berries, and I'm going to be having some nice strawberries. Like I said, this is a strawberry banana milkshake, which means that we have some strawberries, some bananas, some milk and a little bit of ice cream. So now that we have our berries, we can now add the milk. Now we are going to add the ice cream. I'm just going to add like 1 spoonful of ice cream, but it depends on whether you want to turn this from a milkshake into a thick shake. The only difference is that you would add a lot more ice cream. So now that you've added your bananas, your strawberries, your milk and your ice cream, it is now time to blend it and make your milkshake. So I'm just going to add 1 cup of water just to help it blend a little bit better. So there you go, just a little bit of milk, a little bit of ice cream, some bananas, some strawberries, and a little bit of water just to make it blend better. And there you have a delicious strawberry banana milkshake. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then smash it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload new videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!